Generating QR codes are effortless and helps your business to propagate faster. But printing QR codes for different URLs is time-consuming. Presenting ScanMe's multi-purpose, pre-printed and world's first ready-to-set QR code sticker. Our pre-printed stickers can be activated simply by scanning with phone and entering a URL, such as your business website, apps, social media accounts, product menus, and more. After setting up, the QR code is ready for your users to scan wherever you want to redirect your users. This allows you to engage your offline audience with your online content. You can add these stickers on your product to streamline the process and make it easier to find the product and company information. So, what are you waiting for? Get ScanMe's multi-purpose pre-printed stickers for your personal and business needs.